Of Malolos Constitution. Constitution was implied in the June 18, 1898 decree issued by Aguinaldo. So, issue ni Aguinaldo, guys. The framing, however, was an action taken from the former's address to the Malolos Congress during its opening when he started to write with their votes the immortal books of the Filipino Constitution as the supreme expression of the national will. So, mo yung write na book, no? Kining to write ko at the votes, the immortal book of the Philippine Constitution as the supreme expression of the national will. So, this one, an insertion made by Filipino Buecanmenyo, who prepared the message of Aguinaldo. So, Agoncillo, in analyzing this particular incident, wrote, probably because as a member of Congress, he looked upon the strong authority of the chief with suspicious thought. So, kinisikoan, ang nagkuhan na ng book, nag-write sa book is si Felipe Buecanmenyo. Joaquin Gonzalez and Felipe Calderon drafted the rules for the drafting of the Constitution. They adopt the rules of Spanish Cortes during a later variation. So, si Joaquin daw at si Felipe is nagkuhan sila rules sa kanang Constitution. They adopt the rules of kuan sa Spanish. So, na-adapt nila ang rules sa kanang kuan. Gibuhat nila is sa Spanish. So, comprising the committee to draft the Malolos Constitution were Pedro Paterno, Felipe Buecanmenyo, and Felipe Calderon. Mabilis submit this draft of the Constitution called the Constitutional Programme of the Philippine Republic. Paterno submit his draft also. Calderon, since that Mabini plans was the unpopular to the delegates, while that Paterno was backed by majority of the delegates, he chose Paterno's plan. So imbis na kanang kuhaan kay Calderon yung kuhaan na kanang plano is wala niya gikuha kay mas okay kay panang Paterno. So it was a shame he employed because he also had his own plan and he wanted not to displace Paterno, who was the president of Congress. So nakuhaan siya sa kanang pagdesisyon nila kay iya hato kaugalingon plano is wala na bitang wala na kuha. So kay dito siya ni kuha kay Paterno na plano. He was able to eliminate the Paterno plans without the later ceasing in his string. So kanang gusto niya i-eliminate ang kanang plano ni Paterno sa kanang Malolos Constitution. And preparing his plan, Calderon drew inspiration from the constitution of the following countries. So si Calderon is nagkuha siya sa inspiration sa constitution sa countries. So nabilong diri ang Belgium, Mexico, Guatemala, Costa Rica, Brazil, and France. So, assisting him in preparing the draft plan for the Malolos Constitution was Cayetano Arellano. So, lack of quorum delayed the voting for the draft plan. To remedy the situation, printed copies of the draft were distributed to the delegates and the discussion started on October 25. Arcadio del Rosario, an appointed delegate from Para, stressed that the Constitution should be patterned after that of the United States of America. It's being the champion of liberty and democracy and with which the Filipinos are united by strong ties of friendship and sympathy. So after further debates on the adoption of a state religion, the delegates on a vote of 26 against 25 votes. After silang debates, daghay ni against, daghay ni kuan vote sa ilang pag-debate dito sa kuan sa state. So, after inserting a few more alteration to the Calderon draft, the delegates voted for the whole document. It was sent to Aguinaldo for approval. So, after the silang vote, so ang tanan na document is ato niya kay kuan, ato niya kay ginallokat para ma-approvean bitaw constitution. So when it was seen by Mabini, he objected to it because it made the chief executive as a mere figurehead. Thus, Aguinaldo until its approval until January 21, 1890. So on January 21, 1890, Emilio Aguinaldo, by virtue of his position and power of President of the Revolutionary Government of the Philippines and Captain General and Commander-in-Chief of the Army, commanded all authorized civil as well military of whatever class or rank to keep it cost and to be complied with an executive in all parts because it is the sovereign will of the Filipino people. So, the farmers of Malolos Constitution is referring the Constitution to Apolinario Mabini, President of the Council stated. Ang the Malolos Constitution was submitted by Pedro E. Paterno with Pablo Dixon and Pablo Ocampo, secretaries of the Congress. It has a green ball 101 articles and additional articles. So, dagan sila kanang gipangbuhat na mga articles diri sa kanang Philippines. So, the Malolos Constitution referred to as the political constitutions of the state by its framers composed of 88 delegates of the National Assembly. It is composed of 14 titles and transitory provisions. The title under the Constitution 13 to the Republic, the government, religion, the Filipinos, and their national and individual rights, which contains Article 6 to Article 32. So, muna lang nagbuhat no, Article 6 to Article 32. The legislative power with 20 articles, the permanent commission, the executive power, the President of the Republic with 15 articles, 56 to 17. The secretaries of the government, the judicial department, the provincial and popular assemblies, the administration of the state, and the amendment of the constitutions observant oath and legend of the transitory provisions. So, ano yung nabot sa Philippines?